Angie is not coming. Shh. Quiet. Quiet. Listen. Quiet. They're not coming. I can't help it. I'm sorry. They're not coming. Addie, they're not coming. Don't you believe me? Quiet. They're not coming, Atticus. No, sweet. I'm so sorry. Addie. Quiet. I'm sorry, sweetie. Let me see you sit down. Addie. Siéntate. You better sit down. They're not coming. I'm sorry. They're not coming, Addie. Don't you believe me? Addie, Angie and Caleb aren't coming. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.